Hello and good afternoon, Ross here from Luscombe Motors in Leeds. Many thanks for your attention on this video. I'm going to walk you around the Kia Picanto GT-Line S, and it's a wow factor because wow, what hasn't it got? This has got all the upgrades that you would get on all the other models of the Kia range, including the Sportage, heated seats, heated steering wheel and such like. So I'm going to walk you around, give you a condition and walk around in infotainment video. Many thanks. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, there is no chips or any damage I can see with the naked eye. Obviously that's the beautiful thing about the white, it's a very forgiving colour. And these lovely 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels are in perfect condition. Again, taking you down the passenger side or the near side, there's no scuffs or scrapes, and you've got the sports side kit which comes with the GT-Line S pack. Privacy glass as well, all included, and again taking you to the rear diamond cut wheel, all in lovely condition. And the GT-Line S badge. What a great looking car with reverse camera as well. And the remainder of the 7-year warranty. This is a 2-year, 2.5-year-old vehicle. So what a fantastic warranty it comes with. Take you in the rear and show you a bit more interior condition. Beautiful leather interior with isofix seating for two. I'll quickly just show you the boot, which, believe it or not, is deceptively big even for a small car, and it goes really far down, so actually you can get a good few suitcases for the airport, etc. in there. So this is a keyless entry, keyless go system with all the multifunction on the door side. It includes the mats as well, and the two-toe leather seats, multifunctional steering wheel, Bluetooth, voice control, auto lights and wipers, heated seats and heated steering wheel as already mentioned, AppleCarPlay and Android Auto, climate control. So it's a really good condition vehicle, and 10,648 miles on the clock. Many thanks again for your inquiry, and we'll speak to you later. Cheers, bye bye.